Undefeated pa rin ang Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshots sa PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup matapos tambakan ang Terra Firma Jeep kagabi sa Inares Center Antipolo sa score ng 127-94. Ang TNT Tropang 5G naman nakuha na rin sa wakas ang kanilang unang panalo ngayong conference laban sa San Miguel Beerman 89-84. Balikan natin ang aksyon sa ulat ni teammate Daniel Oclares.
Malinis pa rin ang kartada ng Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshots ngayong PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup. Mainit ang Hotshots na naibulsa ang kanilang ikalimang sunod na panalo. At ang kanilang huling biktima ang Terra Firma Jeep na nalugmok naman sa kanilang ikaapat na sunod na kabiguan. Nagtapos ang laban kagabi sa Inares Center sa Antipolo sa score na 127-94. Patuloy na namamayagpag para sa Magnolia si Xavier Lucero na kumamada ng 17 points at 9 rebounds. Habang nag-ambag naman si Paul Lee ng 13 markers, 3 boards at 1 dime.
I think it's just, like I told you guys before the game, it's just putting in consistent work and then trusting your skills when you go out there. And then obviously my teammates finding me in spots and the coaching staff trusting me and putting me on the floor. So it's no one thing.
Ayon naman kay Hotshots head coach Chito Victolero, magandang bungad ang kanilang 5-0 start kumpara sa unang dalawang conference pero hindi anya ito dahilan para makampante ang Magnolia.
The goal is our will finish strong. So yes, we were happy we have a good start compared for last two conferences. But we're still far from our goal and we still keep on working hard every time we prepare for the game. So think we just rest for a day and then we work back again to the court and prepare for our next game.
Sa ikalawang laro naman, matapos ang tatlong sunod na talo, nakatikim na rin ng panalo ang TNT Tropang 5G ng kanilang takasan ang San Miguel Beerman 89-84. Malahalimaw na performance ang pinamalas ni Calvin Oftana na gumawa ng double-double, 23 points at career high 21 rebounds kasama pa ang 6 assists.
Sinabi ni Coach yesterday sa huddle namin is just show up. Sinulat ko rin sa board namin, Coach asked us about ano yung mako-contribute pa namin. And Coach Josh remind me na contribute kami dalawa ni Roger sa rebounding. Kasi the more na makaka-rebound kami, the more makakontrol namin yung laro. And yun nga, career high ko sa rebound pero I'm not looking for that. I'm just happy na nanalo na kami sa this conference and hopefully masustain namin to the rest of our games.
Para naman kay TNT head coach Shot Reyes, nakahinga na siya ng maluwag na nakasilat na sila ng panalo sa uling conference ng Season 49.
Obviously, there's relief to finally get a W. Without Jason and without Ronde, this is a very different team. So I told the players before the game, let's play our game with the players in this room, with who we have. And I think that simple realization worked wonders with the way the players played tonight, their effort and their fight.
Samantala, magpapatuloy naman ang PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup sa Miyerkules, May 7 sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium kung saan magtutuos ang Blackwater Bossing at Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ganap na alas 5 ng hapon na agad susundan ng sagupaang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel at NLEX Road Warriors bandang alas 7:30 ng gabi. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.